Hi everyone, welcome to Review Channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video for the Kodak 32HDX7XPRO, which is the latest 32-inch model that came out in 2020. And this is somewhere priced between 13,999. I got it on a deal on Amazon for 10,999 on the Amazon sale. So just when I opened up the box, it just had the TV, which was nicely wrapped, and also they had the stand and then the manual remote and the batteries, and also the stand to fix it on the wall was also provided, so the wall mount was also provided. So let me give you a brief on what the specs are. So it comes with an A53 quad-core processor which has the male 450 GPU, and it also has a 1 gig RAM and then a 8 GB Rom. And on the box, it is pretty much a pretty decent box, and they have, as it's Kodak, they have a very nice looking box that they have on it, and it also comes up with the Android version 9. So let me unbox it quickly and then show you what comes in the box. So it is pretty much any TV packaging would look like. So they just gone in with the thermocols on the box, and then it is not so great, not so bad, but they have given the stand, remote, the manual, and also the two AAA batteries. So it might also have the warranty card. Yeah, it has the warranty card information and all those. And anyway, it's out of the box. It's a 1-year warranty, and the stand looks okay. Let's see the remote. Okay, the remote has a dedicated buttons for YouTube, Prime Video, the two batteries. So let me go ahead and then open up the packaging and then show you what comes in the TV itself. So the TV, as I mentioned, it is very nicely packed. They have got a wrapper on top of it, and also it has a screen protector which is to be removed after installation, and also they've given the stand to wall mount. This is not a very fancy stand, it's very simple stand. You cannot do much about it. It just, you can hang it on a wall. It's not going to have any movements. And I'm not going to mount it, I'm just going to put the stand that can go on the table itself, as I'm looking to use this monitor and also as a TV which is smart. So let me see how it goes. So the TV, and as I mentioned, it has a wrapper all around it, and also a screen protector, which is to make sure that after installation you can remove it. So let me unscrew and then put the stands on. So this is a simple stand, and I think it does the job well, so it can just go. So this is the receiver for the remote control. It's pretty okay, just shows the PCB board itself with an LED light in it. So that's not a very good looking remote control receiver. And the panels are okay. And let me see the manual. Simple instructions to how to pair the remote, and also the warranty card. So it doesn't have any seal or anything, as it's got from Amazon. You can claim the 1-year warranty from Kodak if anything goes wrong. And the remote itself, as I mentioned, it has the Prime Video and YouTube button, and also it has the okay looking remote. It doesn't have the look and feel of an Fire TV remote. It is slightly not good quality. So let's see the ports. So it has 2 USB ports, and it also has 3 HDMI ports, and one of them is the ARC HDMI port. And you also have an optical audio, an RJ45 if you have a LAN cable to connect in, and also an earphone. So that's a pretty decent amount of ports that they have given, and they also have a stickering to call this as the 2020 model. So I'm hoping this is some better compared to the previous version, as this comes with Android 9, as I mentioned, and they've gone for a matte finish with the black, and also the front is glossy frames. That's what they've gone in for. So let me go ahead and then turn the television on. Okay, so it starts off with the Kodak logo, and okay, so it's loading the Android. I also have an Android TV, which is Android 9. I know how long it takes, so let's see how long this would take. So this is an actual video of loading the TV first time. Okay, so it went in straight away, and it has pre-installed Prime Video, and I have to connect to a Wi-Fi network to start off with. And also, not sure why it has two Bluetooth connections, and looks pretty okay. The resolution is not so great as it's a 720p television. It looks okay, and the navigation also is fine. The remote seems to be working fine. And let me go ahead and then connect to my internet quickly. Yeah, and it got connected to my internet. So let's see how the content's loading. So I'm going to play something on the YouTube so that it is somewhat you can understand how the resolution would be. I don't know if this would do justice because I'm taking on a camera which might not give you the complete understanding on how the TV would look. So I'm going to play something on 4K or 1080p. It seems okay. So by the looks of it, the blacks are pretty decent. The volume's pretty loud, but I have edited the video so you wouldn't hear what it comes out of the speakers, but it is not that great. So you would listen to somewhat okay audio from this television. You would need a soundbar or a Bluetooth speaker so that you can get the full output on a good clarity. So as you can see, the TV is okay, and I also feel the build quality of the TV is not really great. It just they've done somewhat okay kind of a quality. That's about it. So thank you all for watching the video, and I hope you liked the unboxing and the quick review. If you like, please do like and subscribe the video, and that would really help us to support, and I can make more videos coming up on the season. So thank you all. Have a good day, and signing off from Review Channel.